Well, welcome back. It's me, it's Johnny Boy. We are doing this recording from a project that we started some time ago, and we had a slight problem with it because the ground compaction and it was holding water, so it was really difficult for us to showcase this Dura product. So here we are, we've nearly completed this Dura composite fencing project. From behind the camera, we have a fence that the neighbour has the benefit from. We've taken the feather edge fence down. This is an urban development. In this particular location, we have the boundary fence with one neighbour, the rear boundary fence with another neighbour, and the boundary fence with a neighbour on that side. On this side, they didn't want to take the feather edge fence down. So what we've had to do, we've had to return the posts, but with these posts now, we are able to put a trim on this side so it'll look nice and clean. It's a fantastic product. It's quick, it's easy to work with, and it looks fantastic. It looks very modern and contemporary. And I can't wait to get the rest finished so I can showcase this garden in its entirety. If you become a Dura installer, you have your sample box along with your cards, giving some advice, your Dura sticker, catalogues of all their products, and of course the Dura